0341 355 728 11. Der Herr sei mit euch. Es segne euch, alle, die zu euch gehören und alle, für die wir gebetet haben.
We knew he had the charisma and the vision to win a big majority, and he's done just that. He knows he needs to deliver a good exit from the EU to complete his promises, and really, in a sense, I just want Boris back, and I think he and Rishi and others can do a fantastic job, and he has my support.
That's very loyal of you, Steve. Steve Baker, good speaking with you. Thank you. Conservative MP for Wickham. 9:56 is the time. Joe is in Sheen. We've been talking about this university lockdown. I mean, it's not across the board, but it is in some places. Very, very concerning time for everybody. Joe.
Le jumbo jet parti, l'aéroglisseur, le voyageur.